Hi guys, I'm Miss Geraldine Tardu, and today I'm going to introduce to you the 3 ways of lifting, holding, and birthing the baby. Let's proceed to the proper hand hygiene. Let's proceed to lifting and holding the baby. Cradle hold. Lap hold. Lead hold. Let's proceed to birthing the baby. Shoulder hold. Let's proceed to birthing the baby. Shoulder hold. Face down on your lap. Sitting up. Thank you for watching.